So I shut this off for a second just so I could talk. I want to make this video real quick just to say that these rollers are working out awesome. Hopefully the camera's pointing at them. The snowblower, it really kind of guides compared to what it was before. I mean, it slides. I said guides, but it just kind of slides. There's way less resistance than there was before. Obviously the bucket's not dragging anymore. These wheels work totally fine. I can see that they're actually rolling instead of just dragging. You know, right now we only have maybe 3 inches of snow. It's a little much to shovel the whole driveway. Not much really to justify a big snowblower, but hey, I wanted to come out and use it. But it is a-okay. Super happy with it so far, and we'll see how it works the rest of the season. But I just want to give you guys some action shots and let you know that I'm very happy with it. It is adjusted perfectly for, you know, about maybe 1/4 of an inch off the ground here. All right, so it's working out great. That's all. Just wanted to mention that. We got a long winter ahead of us, so I'm sure I'll use it a lot, and maybe at the end of the season I'll give you an update, tell you what I think. Here's another thing too. I know people go to ask for me to do a RAV4 driving around video, since this is the first snowfall for the year, but as you can see, the roads are blacktop. So the plows were out all night, and that's when it snowed. So I woke up to a clean road, which was actually a little disappointing because I am very curious to see how this vehicle does in the snow this winter. But stay tuned. The next time we have a snowfall and the roads aren't touched yet, I will certainly go out and see how it handles in that winter weather. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.